Hey guys, this is Sean. Welcome back to my channel, Fast Turtle. Tonight we are unpacking the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and this bundle came with an extra battery, the Enduro battery right here, right? And also came with the flash memory, the 64 gigabyte. It says made by SanDisk Extreme, the V30, right? And in the case, what we have in the case here, we got the camera and we got a battery, thumb screw, an adapter to mount the camera into the curve or flat mount, USB Type-C, and the case. So let's go ahead and start unpacking. So it looks like the way to open the package is from here. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah, here we go. I don't know what they are making it so hard. Here we go. Nice package. So this is the camera, the USB cable to C type, and then over here we got the battery. This is the standard battery, and this is the Enduro battery that came with the bundle, right? And then over here we got the camera. And what else in the, yes, this is the clip, and this is the curve mount. Yes, the adhesive curve mount, which is good for a helmet or a hood of a car. I'll probably be using it on the motorcycle or the helmet. And also it came with the thumb screw. There we go. So yeah, oh yeah, it came as well with the safety, so you can open this so you don't mistakenly open the clip. Interesting. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and open the camera, charge the battery, plug it in, and then I will shoot a video later on with how to go ahead and customize the settings based on the way I like. That's all for tonight. Thank you for watching, and I will shoot a video after charging the battery, setting up the software, and pair it with the cell phone and all that, and we'll go ahead go shoot another video with you guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time with a new topic.